my lovely darlings. This is Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, sharing with you quick and easy low-carb recipes to inspire you to eat healthy so that you may be in good health and live your best life. Today, I have a special treat for you chicken lovers out there. Oh yes, if you love chicken and you absolutely love shrimp as much as I do, then you're gonna love this delicious chicken and shrimp skillet, tender chicken breast seared to perfection, and a Marsala Cooking Wine topped with luscious shrimp, blending with the tasteful flavors of smoked bacon pieces and tomatoes, and a toss of shredded cheddar. If you're looking to turn your ordinary chicken into something spectacular, then this recipe is for you. So let's get started. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Welcome guys. As always, all the ingredients used in this recipe is provided for you in the description. Videos are uploaded every week creating low-carb versions of our favorite meals. Subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you can be inspired to eat healthy. What you see me doing here, I'm cutting my 3 chicken breasts horizontally across the center to get 6 thinner cutlets here. Since we're searing our chicken on the stove top, we want thinner slices which will allow the chicken breast to cook quicker and more evenly than thicker halves would. Sprinkle a little olive oil over the top and massage it into the chicken on both sides. This is going to help bind our seasonings to our meat. I have a blend of my favorite seasonings here. I have them listed in the description. I always like to blend my seasonings together to create one amazing flavor for my dry rub that will evenly distribute onto each piece of meat evenly. Otherwise, when you shake on your seasoning individually, what happens? One piece of meat may get more of one thing than the other piece of meat. So this way your seasoning is equally applied to each and every piece equally. Go ahead and massage all this delicious flavor into every crack and crevice of your meat, making sure you get both sides. Go ahead, don't be afraid to massage that meat. Now we're going to oil the bottom surface of our pan, not too much oil. Heat over medium-high and add in our chicken cutlets and allow to brown on each side. Meanwhile, let's head over to the cutting board. Stack 4 slices of bacon and cut into bite-sized pieces, roughly an inch or so. This is going to add such a delicious savory flavor to our chicken, along with a nice crisp for our topping. This is some good eating, my friends. Oh yes, some good eating. While our bacon is sizzling away, let's season up our jumbo-sized shrimp that we have here with a dash of garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, and Old Bay seasoning. Give it a good blend to mix and combine all this delicious seasoning into your shrimp. Yes, my friends. Mix it well, like this here. We're going to remove our bacon from the pan. Oh, I just love the smell of cooked bacon. That smells so good. We're going to use all this delicious bacon grease to cook our shrimp. So go ahead and add your shrimp into the pan. Spread them out so that none are overlapping. Each piece should be lying flat down like this here. Once your shrimp turn a bright, pretty color orange, it's time to flip over to the other side. Let's check back on our chicken. Our chicken is coming along nicely here. We can go ahead and flip these over. Oh yes, flip that baby over. Look at that beautiful golden color. Here's the game changer right here. gourmet Marsala Cooking Wine that I got from Amazon. No artificial colors or flavors, no added sugars, and only 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon. My friends, we're gonna pour 2 tablespoons over your chicken. This brings out the herb flavors in your chicken, bringing out the chicken's moisture and helping the chicken yield its tender juiciness. I'll leave the link in the description for you so that you can pick yourself up some. Now let's get our delicious shrimp in there as well. Let the bacon juices pour in there as well. Toss in your cube pieces of 1 whole tomato. Sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And top this baby with a crispy layer of your bacon pieces. My lovely friends, doesn't that look good? Can you really taste this delicious blend of flavors with your eyes? Look at there. Now go ahead and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley to add that finishing touch. And guys, here you have it. Go ahead and jazz up your chicken. Who said eating healthy had to be bland and boring? Not at all. No ma'am, no sir, no way. This is where you can find weekly inspiration of quick and easy meal ideas, giving you a variety of delicious recipes to keep you on track with your healthy lifestyle. If you haven't done already, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you can stay inspired. Good health begins with healthy nutrition, and healthy nutrition begins right in your very own kitchens. Stay blessed, my lovely friends, and stay healthy. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace and blessings. Bye.